Hello everyone, welcome back to Autopulse. Toyota isn't typically the first name that comes to mind when you think of micro-R versus or trike campers. But this year, they've taken a big step into the small world, literally, and what they've come up with is a mix of futuristic innovation and off-grid practicality that's turning heads in both the camper and electric vehicle communities. At first glance, it looks like something out of a sci-fi movie: a sleek, aerodynamic body, 3 large all-terrain wheels, and a pop-up roof module that hints at the surprises hidden inside. But let's break it down. This is a fully electric, 3-wheeled microcamper designed with urban explorers, off-grid nomads, and solo travelers in mind. It's about the size of a tuk-tuk or a cargo trike but packed with clever design and compact comfort. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, you've got a 20 kWh lithium-ion battery, paired with a high-efficiency hub motor that pushes out around 15 horsepower. Doesn't sound like much? Well, this thing isn't built for speed. It tops out at 45 miles per hour, which is more than enough for secondary highways, small towns, and scenic byways. It's classified as a motorized tricycle in most countries, meaning registration is simpler and insurance is often cheaper than a standard van or RV. Range-wise, Toyota promises up to 120 miles on a full charge in eco mode. There's also a built-in 200-watt solar panel on the roof, and optional side wings that fold out to add another 400 watts. That means if you're taking it slow and parking in the sun, you could stretch that range indefinitely. Slide open the side hatch, and you're greeted with a modular living space that can transform depending on your needs. There's a convertible bench that folds out into a bed, just over 6 feet long and a little over 2 feet wide. It's snug, but comfortable enough for 1 or 2 people who don't mind getting cozy. At the rear, there's a compact galley with an induction cooktop, a mini sink with a 10-liter water tank, and a 12-volt fridge drawer. Above that, there are clever little storage nooks, fold-down tables, and magnetic panels for hanging utensils or personal items. Now, here's something wild: the pop-up roof. It's not just for headroom, it's a fully insulated, telescoping dome that rises up and gives you nearly 5 feet of interior standing space. And with the roof up, a hidden compartment unfolds into a small second bunk. So yes, technically this camper trike sleeps 2, maybe even a small child as a third. Lighting is all low-voltage LED, controlled via a touchscreen interface mounted on the wall. There's also Bluetooth audio, a ceiling fan, and even a small, fold-out workstation with charging ports for your laptop or camera gear. And yes, there's a toilet. Sort of. It's a slide-out composting toilet tucked into a hidden drawer under the bench. No full shower, but there is an external shower hookup with a privacy tent, which is pretty impressive for something this compact. One of the things that really makes this trike special is the driving experience. Because it's a tricycle, it's incredibly maneuverable. Toyota added an advanced stability system that automatically adjusts torque to each wheel during turns, so it feels surprisingly grounded even on gravel or uneven paths. You've got 3 driving modes: Eco, Standard, and Adventure. In Adventure mode, the suspension stiffens, power delivery is more responsive, and the traction control gets more aggressive, perfect for a dirt road or light trail. Now let's talk price. As of launch, the base model starts at around $19,000. That gets you the essentials: battery, solar panel, living pod, and basic kitchen. The premium model, with the extended solar wings, upgraded insulation, off-road tires, and pop-up roof bunk, comes in closer to $24,000. It's not cheap, but considering it's both your vehicle and your home, it's a lot more affordable than most Class B camper vans or even teardrop trailers when you factor in gas, insurance, and parking. Who is this for? Honestly, it's perfect for people who love minimalist travel. Digital nomads, weekend warriors, vanlifers downsizing, or folks who just want a tiny escape pod they can park in the backyard and take off in whenever the urge strikes. And maybe most importantly, it's a vehicle that reflects the times we're in. Smaller footprints. Slower travel. Less consumption. More experiences. Toyota's first step into the world of camper trikes might not replace your family RV, but it's going to be a game changer for solo travelers, especially those who want to stay electric, stay light, and stay free. And that's the beauty of the 2026 Toyota Camper Tricycle. It's not about having it all, it's about having just enough. Just enough power. Just enough comfort. Just enough freedom to go wherever the road takes you, or wherever the road ends. So, what do you think? Would you ride and live in one of these? Let me know in the comments. Would love to hear your thoughts, ideas, or what you'd want to customize on a rig like this. And if you want to see a full walk around or maybe even a real-world test drive, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because we've got more trike campers and electric nomad rigs coming your way soon. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious, stay rolling, and I'll see you on the next adventure.